Okay, this is the supplemental lesson for my keyboard players for Band 2 for our Purple Music tribute, the Shiela E portion. Those of you guys who are just subscribers to the channel, damn, I need a new desk. Subscribers to the channel who might be keyboard aficionados, some of this stuff is not going to be like, you know, these are for my students. So, but I'm going to get you through it. So, I think Vanessa's playing. Vanessa's the keyboard player I have on this now. You're going to stay the keyboard player, obviously, but I'm going to add additional keys. So, we have our intro. You already know where it's just bass guitars on E flat, right? Ba 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 ba. Right? We already know that. Then when Elise counts you in, A, B, A, B. Okay, we're good on that. So the verse. On the verse, I only want bass and the guitars. Okay? Where you're going to, the next place you're going to come in, keyboard players, is going to be the pre-chorus. Okay? So here's the pre-chorus. And I'm only going to play these as triads. Okay? So first chord is going to be a B. It's really a B major 7. So let's keep that's an easy finger. She's got big thoughts, and then the next chord we're gonna play is gonna be a B flat minor. So the first chord, B major 7. She's got big thoughts, big dreams, and a big rhyme say. Now watch this. Now we're gonna go to a D diminished. And then the next chord is going to be a G diminished. Okay, so she's got big thoughts, big dreams, and a big brown Mercedes today. And then we're, what the girl you really wants. So that part we're out. Okay, so what we want for this part, again, B major 7, B minor, B major 7, D diminished, G diminished. Okay, that's that section. Let's move on. Okay, so here's your part that's going to go into the chorus. Okay, so remember you got your D diminished. Sorry, you're gonna go. It ain't much. And you already have that lead line. Let's take a listen to how that's going to sound in context. So remember, you're right here. We've done this part already. Now, play the wrong note there. Lead line. Okay, so here's a part that I neglected to put in the beginning, and I'm doing it twofold. One, Vanessa, so you'll have it also, so I remember it. There's a stab that we're gonna play. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's C sharp, D sharp, and F sharp. Okay. A lot of these stabs in this music, we're gonna come on beat 4, and I believe that's when it is. Let's see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. right? And I'm going to show you a little way to slide into that, like a little organ slide that's going to make it extra, extra funky. So, so that's another part I want to add in there. And let me work on the next section. I'll post that as well. That's what I wanted to tell you, Vanessa. So at the end of the of that little lick, the lick, da. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna do that same chord. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to do this and hold the keyboard with one hand. We'll see how it goes. Vanessa, this is your part. This is the line for bass and both guitars. Okay, it looks like this. Oh, sorry. That's the first part. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, let me do that again. I'm going to do both parts again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do that again. And then we've got this. Remember this? That's chromatic. 1, 2. Here's your chord, Vanessa. Okay, let's try that one more time, that whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is also going to be the chord that you hit for our stab. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't do it with one hand. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's going to go right back to 2, 3, 4, 1. That's when I'm going to truncate the live arrangement, so we're going to make our own arrangement of it. Then we'll do the stabs there. Okay, so there will be more of this whole arrangement coming. That's a small piece of it, but that's the stuff that you guys need to be working on now. Just because this is a keyboard tutorial, Josue, Matthew, I expect you guys to have these lines. You need to be working on these lines every single day. Because if you wait till the last minute, you won't get it. Law of the harvest. Okay, you will not get it if you wait till the last minute. You gotta have it in the shed. All right.